Uh-oh, you're gonna get stuck. Show mommy how you vacuum. You vacuum in the trailer, William? Huh? Look at you go. Look at you go. You're making such... Uh-oh, don't get the carpet though, you'll get it stuck. Come this way. Come show mommy how you do the carpet over here. There you go. You vacuum in? William, 15 months old. He's the best vacuumer I know. Keep this trailer clean. Can't be too clean while you're camping. Uh-oh. Oh, you're gonna get mommy's toes.